So hello guys, welcome to day 8. So today we'll discuss about the frame, iFrame, basically what is iFrame and how to handle the frames. And so let me brief you about what is iFrame. So so in this page you can see there is one iFrame located over here. So basically it is a different frame from the it is located in a different frame from that particular page. So yeah, so if I inspect on this, so you can see that this is coming under an iframe tag. So you will be, you should recognize using this iframe tag that is coming under an different whole different frame in a particular page. So how to identify iframe? That is a very common interview question. How you can identify the iframe? So that is basically the answer. So there should be an iframe tag. So let's just code it through. How to switch focus to that iframe and how to deal inside the operation of the iframe. So the problem statement here is, so first of all, we have to switch to this iframe and then we have to click on this courses. So if I click on this courses, so this happens. So we have to validate that after clicking on that, it is going to this page. So this is basically our problem statement for today. So let's just go it through how we can do that. Let me just go to Eclipse and let me create a package first that is of day and let me finish it and let me create a class inside it. So that is frame. Let me name is at let me name it as frame and I will finish it. So yeah. So basically I will just close this one. Let me copy some of the code from the previous lecture. So let me just copy this much of code and let me go to iFrame and let me just put it over here. And so basically, if you uh, go to Chat GPT and search for how to handle iFrame, so basically there are different methods, various methods to, I mean, uh, handle the iframe. Frame by index. So if there are multiple iframes present in a page, single page, so you can handle these frames using the indexing. So the index will start from 0 and then with the name or ID of that particular iframe, you can handle this or using the web element. This is the most efficient way. Using that particular web element, it will not break basically. If you are taking the XPath, it will not break. So I will recommend it to use this one. And nested iframes means frame inside a frame. So you have to switch. You have to use different switches to navigate inside frame inside the frame. So that is one concept. So these are basically the common methods. I mean, common ways to handle the iframe. So let's just go to this. Let's just code it through. And let me just inspect over here and let's just find the locator. So here you can see the iframe and the course ID iframe. So let me write one XPath for this controller and let me go inside this and let me just copy this courses iframe. Sorry. See, and it is coming inside the ID. So I will take like this iframe and then at the rate ID equals the value we have copied. So yeah, it is inspecting one frame. So let me just copy this and driver dot find element by dot xpath. We have taken the xpath, so we copy the xpath to here and store it inside a web element frame locator. So let me import this web element and we will use driver dot switch to the frame locator. So simply I will copy this control C and control V. So sorry, driver dot switch to, then we have to use the frame over my bad. So you can see over here, as I have told earlier, so frame, it can take the index one, string name or ID. It can take the name or ID, any of the locator, or better to use the web element of the frame element. So you can customize that also. So I am using this as of now. So frame locator. And so what we need to do over here, so we have to scroll till this to see. First, it will scroll till here and then will navigate. So if I am not scrolling till here, so any action performed inside, so we can't see visually. So I will first scroll till here and then I will perform the action. So let me just first scroll till here and so to get this XBAR, so I will use this legend and simply I will use the text locator over here. So locator, I will discuss about the locator in a different section. So that will be the next section, I believe. In next lecture, I will describe about various locators. So yeah, so it is inspecting one element. So we can use like this. So let me just copy this and I will use the action class over here. So let me use the action class action equals to new actions and have to put the private. So if you have not watched my actions lecture, please go and watch that for a better understanding. So I will move first to that particular element action dot move to element and so driver dot find element y dot xpath. So we'll put that particular expression over here and the dot build and dot perform. So it will move till that particular element and it will switch its focus to that particular frame. So now, according to our problem statement, we have to click on this courses. So I'm inspecting on this course. So here also we can use the anchor tag over here and the courses we can use likewise. So control B and I will use the anchor tag over here. And so it is inspecting one and two elements basically. So I will use the indexing over here and I will use the first one. This is just an example so that I am using indexing, but indexing should not be used. It looks like a hard-coded value, so it might change. So better not to use indexing, but as of now, I can, for example, I'm taking this. So yeah, we'll discuss it in the upcoming lectures. Y dot xpath, and I will put that value, and I will simply click on that particular process. And let's just run this and hope we'll get the desired result. And let's just see. So it is opening the page and it is navigating till there and it is clicking. So yeah, so basically it is clicking on that particular frame. So we are inside, our focus is inside the frame. So to switch back your focus, you have to use the default content over here. So driver dot switch to dot default content. So it will switch back your focus to the parent window, the parent page basically. So yeah, so we can do the operations, desired operation now. So as our focus is shift to the parent window. So what we'll do is we'll just click on something so that we can cross verify. Uh, yes, let me click on the open window, this one. So open window ID is there. So I will first take the XPath, drive dot find element by dot ID, and will paste that over here, the ID they'll take it, and dot click set. We are clicking on that particular thing. So yeah, let me just run this and hope our focus will be shifted to the parent page. Yes, so you can see it is clicking on that particular open window button, and our focus is right now on the parent window. So yeah, so it is working as expected. So that's it, guys. Today, this much how to handle the iframes. So this is it. So see you in the next lectures. Do like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. And yeah, so our and one reminder, our classes are starting from tomorrow itself. So do join our Telegram link, Telegram channel basically, and hope hope to see you guys over there. Thank you. Bye bye.